What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like, comment below, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm, and 50 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day and get all my real-time buy and sell alerts, consider joining the Patreon and the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's dive right into Apple, which is absolutely flat on the day. And just like I said last night, we could see a pullback. We did see that here on Apple stock, back down to 146, but people are buying up the dips, FOMO kicking in, and this thing going back up to the upside. At least in short term, we're holding above 148 orange line, 13 SMA. So as of right now, we're actually holding above all the moving averages on this daily chart, and that is a good news here on Apple stock. And just like I said last night, that we could see even 150, we got up to 149.13, but end of the day, it's flat, guys. Did not really go anywhere. And if you look at this candle, well, it's sitting at the same spot we closed at yesterday, 148, just slightly above 148, 148.31. Now going into tomorrow, market can pull back or may not pull back, because we can just go sideways here, consolidate, and then we could see a breakout. Until Apple breaks under 140, Apple is still looking bullish, and we could see Apple going up to 150, 152, even 155. Now that we are sitting above all the moving averages on the daily chart, definitely Apple can move up to 150, 152, and then 155. Support we have at 145, 146 right here. All three moving averages right here, 5, 20, and 50 sitting right here. So it's not going to come down that easily unless we get a gap down here on Apple stock below 146, 145. Then watch out for 140. And now we're going to look at Amazon. So Amazon stock a slight pullback, but it's still holding up above 95, holding orange line, 13 SMA as support. And if this thing can hold 95, we're going to see Amazon going all the way up to 100, and then even higher, all the way up to 105.57. Below 95, we also have support at 94, white line 20 SMA. And below that, all the way down here at 90, which I don't think we're coming down to 90 here on Amazon. We might be going all the way up to 100. And now we're going to look at Google. So Google stock also absolutely flat day on Google. And look at this, guys. I mean, this is nice. If you're trading Google, 100 was hit. And it's holding as a support nicely, went back up, and now sitting at 101.28. Did not really go anywhere, but holding, especially that big level, big resistance, now as a support, 100. And if that continues, look at this upper Bollinger Band moving up. We're going to see Google going up to 103. This gap up here will get filled completely, and then 105, 109. Below 100, we have support down here at 98, and then 97, 95, white line, 20 SMA. And now we're going to look at Tesla. So just a few days ago, when I said Tesla here, definitely out of all the stocks, Tesla is a buy at this level. I mean, look at this insanity, guys, from 166 all the way up to almost 200. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys are good at math. Count in what? How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today was the 7th day here on Tesla, and it's up over $30. So if you're not happy with that, I don't know what to tell you. And that's why if you're going short term, you should lock in profit as soon as you get close to 200. But I'm not locking in anything. I got 500 shares of Tesla, and this is not it. If this thing comes back down, I won't be regretting selling out here and not locking in profit. I'm looking to add 500 more shares of Tesla. So Tesla is a buy, guys. And if you bought this dip, and some of you guys did, you're already up. Now, yes, there were some comments. Of course, watching those crash videos, I can understand that Tesla going to what, double digit, and then someone actually said single digit. So what, $9, I guess, nine. I don't know where is Tesla going, guys. Tesla is not going anywhere. Elon Musk will never leave Tesla alone. Yes, he was selling, he needed that money to cover up his cost, but Tesla is a stock always paying big amount of money in return if you're holding and if you have patience. And this is not it. I can easily see in next 2 to 3 years Tesla going back up to 800, 1000, and maybe even 1 year, guys. Two good earnings and Tesla can jump up to 5, 600 easily. And that's why Tesla, this stock here, if you can hold on, Tesla made a lot of, at least I can say millionaires. This stock made a massive move all the way up to 2000, got a split, again came back down, another split, back up to what? 52-week high on Tesla was 1200 something, and then now it's down again, down to a new 52-week low, and you don't like it. You think Tesla is going down even more. Let it go. Just buy more, buy slowly, hold on to it, and this is exactly what I'm doing. Tesla, all my shares are green, and especially all my calls here on Tesla are green, but I'm not selling at least up until end of 2024 because I have a lot of time on my hand. Now Tesla, guys, soon as we got up to 200, 199, 198, 92 to be exact, we got rejected. And that is going to be a big level to watch. 200 breaks, in no time we're going to see Tesla going up to 211, 217, red line 50 SMA. That is going to be also a resistant, and then 225. Right now we have supported 190, 188.40, 184 strong level, and then if that breaks, then watch out for 176 and then 166, which I don't think we're coming down to 166 anytime soon. Tesla looks like wants to move even higher, and also lower Bollinger Band now crawling back up, moving up, sitting at 165. So this thing here, definitely, guys, we could see more upside. Tesla, there is more room to the upside to run. And even at this level, I'm not saying go ahead and chase Tesla, but if you're long term, for me, I would say Tesla is a buy. And now we're going to look at Meta. And this thing, I think I spoke too soon yesterday, talking about 124 is possible. Almost got up to my price target, 120, 120 high for the day. And now this thing is looking extremely bullish, above all the moving averages on the daily chart, also sitting above red line 50 SMA, which is sitting at 120. So this gap up here at 128, 129 will get filled very soon here on Meta. Now if there is a dip, watch out for the support at 118, below that 113.58, and then 112. If we can hold 120 as a support, the next resistance here on the stock 124, and then watch out for 128, 129. This gap up here will get filled very soon. Meta gets down to 112, 111. Definitely, guys, there is a dip buy, and I've been talking about it in all my videos last few days. And if you bought this dip right here, anywhere right here, you made a ton of money here on Meta. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. So Microsoft also absolutely flat day here on Microsoft. Came down to where, just like I said last night, we're going to come back down to 250, and we retested that massive resistance now as a support, and also that was a massive breakout retest. And now back up to 255, also not giving up anything. One more thing I want to show you guys, and this is looking extremely bullish here on Microsoft. So if you're shorting, I had a small position here on Microsoft, but I might just cut out tomorrow or some, maybe next week, because this thing looking definitely bullish, and this was a dip buy instead of shorting. But this thing here, guys, Microsoft, we have white line 20 SMA crossing above red line 50 SMA, and it's positively sloping. Also we have 50 SMA positively sloping, 13 and 5, and this can turn into something like, I would say, let me show you guys, just giving you guys example. It could turn into something like this. I mean, look at this Etsy here. strong bullish trend. And this thing here, guys, just a few days ago, I posted a chart on my Discord at 118, 115, and I said massive breakout was coming. And this thing went above and beyond from 120 up to 140. That is a massive, massive move. And not to mention if you caught this one down here. So this is something similar that can play out here on Microsoft, and I'm expecting even higher move here on Microsoft, because if you look at it, this thing took a massive beating. A lot of people talked about Microsoft going under possibly 200, even myself, but this is a mega cap. It's not going anywhere. If this thing is down, nobody's going up. And now this thing is looking bullish. We could see this explosion continuing all the way up to, who knows, 290, 300. So far, upper Bollinger Band, just like Etsy, expanding, now sitting at 260. So in a flash, a quick trip up to 260 is possible, and that is possible going into tomorrow. But if there is a dip at 250, there is a dip buy here on Microsoft. Below that, I don't think we're coming down here at 248. That is also a support, and then 245 orange line, 13 SMA. 260 breaks, then watch out for this gap fill right here, right around 264, and then Microsoft going even higher, back up to 267, 270. So watch those levels going into tomorrow here on 6 big tech stocks. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Thank you so much, guys.